Stingy means unwilling to spend money or share. Example: he is so stingy that he never buys coffee for anyone. Numerous means many. Example: there are numerous books on the shelf. Hazard, a source of danger. Example: wet floors are a hazard in the workplace. Damp means slightly wet. Example: the towel was damp after the rain. Isolated means separated from others. Example: the cabin is isolated in the mountains. Solo means done alone. Example: she performed a solo on the piano. Alarmed means feeling frightened or worried. Example: he was alarmed by the loud noise. Trim means to make something neat by cutting. Example: she trimmed the bushes in the garden. Torrid means extremely hot or passionate. Example: they had a torrid love affair. Deafening means death or end of something. Example: the applause was deafening after the performance. Demise means death or end of something. Example: the demise of the company was sudden. Blessing means a prayer or wish for divine favor. Example: they received a blessing before their journey.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.